I saw this one Pokemon app. I made my own, created my own Pokemon, but I didn't really make them. But if you want to download it, you can. So let me just show you how they look. So here's one, and here's the other. I'll just show you all of them. Right there's all of them, and yeah. So aren't those good Pokemons? I might make one of me. Yeah. So bye. Hope you love yourself. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.